Good evening, everyone. My name is Daryl with Big D No Joke BBQ. As you can see today, um, I got a turkey prepared to put in the deep fryer. So watch me. I'm gonna get ready to put it in the deep fry. Make sure you be careful when you get ready to do this. So grab your stick or some kind of rod to put it in the deep fryer and let it cook for 45 minutes or either 5 minutes per pound. All right. Grab a stick or something, put it in the rod here, and you hold it like this right here. So you got it steady so it won't slide on you, you know. And you put it down in there. As you can see, I do have a little bit too much oil in there, but it'll be all right. All right. At this time, Big D No Joke Barbecue. Talk to you later.